So there are a couple of things, right? A, Hoyland has been bad, and B, the team
Not
does not support him.
But अभी
The
ना
I
amount of
think
time, the amount of times he loses the ball, right? Like I can literally see Garnacho not put balls to him because he's like,
yeah,
you know,
I
and
I agree with
that
this.
Suri is a bigger problem, right? Than the.
It's
It's not that Chidobe is having more impact; it's that the team has written off Hoyland as well.
Hmm. Hmm.
do you
That's
actually
also
think,
one
Mario? I'll
problem.
ask you, is that a problem? Do you think it's a problem, or
It's a very big problem when the
how?
team doesn't play as a single team. When
No,
players in the
but they
team
know.
are,
You won't believe the same point, TK. We were discussing. I called Adi
yeah,
yesterday and I was like, the whole match, Chelsea ka match, Dorgu was in such good positions and usko सिर्फ ball डालना था and he was not putting. It was so obvious he was not putting. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे forwards वैसे भी सब बटले. एक ही striker है जो 6-1 है, which is Oiland, and he doesn't score a header. He doesn't even score. Forget the header. That's like adding. He doesn't. वो ball ही नहीं डाल रहा है. You know when the ball started coming in, when Bruno put it, only when Maguire was there.
Maguire was taking the
Dorgu,
runs.
Hmm.
Dorgu
And that
came
is
in
where
so many times, and it
that
says that they don't have any confidence that
and that
he's
is
gonna score
where
in the box.
then Casemiro has to take that initiative to come up because he knows Hoyland there na कूदेगा na kuch karega. Because I'll tell you what, Hoyland is so true to his name, Lund. He is
And
absolute Lund. उसका तुम बहुत सीरियस हो गए तुम लोग. उसका नाम एक्चुअली यूनाइटेड में आने से पहले रासमस था सिर्फ. इधर आके वो खेलना चालू किया, उसको लंड बोलना चालू कर दिया सबने. ही तो
Hoyland.
ओलैंड ओलैंड इधर ओलैंड इधर.
Well, and
तो अमोरिम ने उसको बोला ओलैंड इधर खड़ा रहकर. So the problem
we need
is
to.
he's so stationary or he's enjoying that grinding so much that he forgets that he's actually striker. वो भाई एकदम जोन में चले जाते हैं एलजीबीटीक्यू वाले, वो लगा पड़ा है किसी के साथ. और फिर मगवायर को आना पड़ता है, कैसेमीरो को आना पड़ता है. एसेंशियली मिडफील्ड खाली हो रहा है because of the fact that guy is not able to. So, and we were talking this yesterday. We were about the same. A lot of people are saying प्रॉब्लम इज विद द फॉर्मेशन 3-4-3. ठीक है, मान लिया भाई तुम 4-2-3-1 खेलो. सुन तो मैं सिर्फ तेरे को एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं. तुम 4-2-3-1 खेलो. अरे लेकिन वो वन फिर भी हॉयलैंड है. वो जब बॉल 3-4-3 में नहीं डालता है तो 4-2-3-1 में क्या डालेगा, वो 4-3-3 में क्या डालेगा, वो 4-4-2 में क्या डालेगा. वो छूतिए पोजीशन फॉर्मेशन स्विच करने से तुम्हारा वन जो है आगे वो थोड़ी ना चेंज हो जा रहा है. वो तो वही है ना लंड. At the end of the day, it's a limp dick leading Manchester United. You can't expect a limp dick to get your team pregnant. Simple as that.
कहाँ जा रही है मैच?
नहीं, कहाँ
You know
लेकिन
what?
वो
I'll
टीम
go
की
ahead.
लेकिन वो टीम की बात
Limp
कूद रहा है.
सुन
Go on a limp.
लिम्प डिक है इसलिए हमारी टीम इंपोर्टेंट है. मैं बहुत सिंपल एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. हम लोग नल्ले हैं क्योंकि हमसे स्कोर ही नहीं हो रहा है बहुत सारी.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I'll go on a limp and fucking say it today that I would fucking take Havertz over this guy fucking any day. हम Havertz को गाली दे रहे
ले लो,
थे. मिस
ले
कर
लो.
ले शॉट
ले
ले
लो.
पर मार शॉट तो ले. He doesn't even register shots on targets, bro. Like
मेरे पास एक
shots on target. Like come on, how? Like you're a striker. That's your whole point.
मेरे पास एक
Make
ही
the
क्वेश्चन है.
goalkeeper work.
सॉरी टू कट यू ऑफ. एक ही
क्या?
चीज है मारियो, यू आर द मोस्ट फुटबॉल खेला हुआ बंदा हम सब में से. जैसे अगर इफ आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट बेयर आई गो टू डुएन, इफ आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट गर्ल्स आई गो टू सूरी, इफ आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट फुटबॉल आई गो टू यू.
If मेरे पास
if I
कब
have
आएगा
to
मैं
if I have to
सुनाई नहीं.
talk about second place I go to Suri. If I have to talk about football I come to you. My
मेरा क्या था, मैं तो सुना ही नहीं मैं.
here. My point is, Mario, simple.
Hmm.
If you were a Morin, imagine you are a Morin, you're watching the game in and out, you're managing a team like Manchester United and you have Hoyland. What are you going to do different to make sure that Hoyland does at least better than what he's doing right now? Like, take your time, think about it, tell me. मुझे बता भाई.
So, if you have only one option to play Hoyland, right? It is important for you to have a supporting striker who's scoring goals. Right now, there is nobody who comes to that penalty spot, right? For the ball that comes in. Every time somebody comes, right? The goals that are scored from the penalty spot are free because Hoyland grinds players, but they know that there is only one person that they have to block. And so there are two people, three people, everybody goes up, and the penalty spot is open every single time. You see the balls when Garnacho was on the right, he would center them to the penalty spot. There is nobody over there. Any other team where you see them defending, right? If there's a ball that comes to the penalty spot, there is somebody over there. So yes, I I initially did say that he was not getting enough balls, but he is not good enough. I'm not going to say that he. Problem is we don't have that supporting striker or somebody who can get into that position uh, to take those shots. Mount scored a goal from that very point. Uh, when Garnacho was entering, Bruno was scoring goals from that between the penalty spot and the edge of the D, right? When balls come in over there, we can score from that. But there is nobody who's doing it consistently enough to get the defender to come and block that point.
I agree. We are not crowding the box
Because-
with attacking players.
See, in
Yes.
the same
And that's
point,
where
like
if you go back, right, and you see like for all the strikers that we had, right, Paul Scholes was continuously putting in 10, 15, 20 goals season on season, ensuring that that point over there, right, there is somebody. Lampard did it for Chelsea. So that is a very important point because it gives the striker a lot more freedom because now somebody has to go and block that spot, which means that there is one less player on the striker. If you're playing a single striker, you cannot afford to have everybody defending that single striker because that's a problem. We've had the same problem ever since
Rooney.
Rooney went, Ferguson left. We try to bring people like Fellaini in for the long ball and all the rubbish that we have done. We've still not solved that key problem. That somebody can come in and provide those intermediate goals.
But we still after Rooney, I'm saying we still had strikers who would score. Like in the sense, like see when a striker, say if it's a lone striker as well, if he's taking on defender, creating space for someone else, maybe an attacking midfielder to come and score, like this guy, that is secondary. You would still want the striker to score, right? Now some games Holland does that. Okay, some games he's doing it where he's taking the defender and everything. He's giving other space, but he's not scoring. That's your main job. That is secondary. वो कर ही नहीं रहा है.
But see, you have to understand, right? We bought in big names to fill those roles because they had the talent and the skill set. Again, I am not defending Højlund. I told you he is not good enough. But the reason why the big names worked, right, was because they have extra skill to remove something out of nothing.
Yeah, and
so the Cavani, the Ibra, the but again, it's all a matter of this thing, right?
About other thing, you're right on the skills part because that's exactly like what you said because it's about making those runs, getting in those space where you're not going and on the defender. जैसे आदि बोल रहा वो defender को लेके तो उल्टा नहीं हो रहा, face the goal, make those runs. You've got Bruno behind, you've got like Mount who can put those balls, you've got Dorgu from there who's open, you've got Ahmad. These all guys can put balls in. Like I'm still not saying Garnacho, he will still put in, but before that, we've got other players who will find you very easily, especially Bruno. अगर तू मुझे बोल रहा है तू फिर भी नहीं कर रहा, you're not doing anything. Cavani used to put his whole body. Ibra got us goals at what 39-40 when he joined us in APL. He was scoring header ये वो सब. अगर तुम striker हो, अगर तुम header भी नहीं मारो, you're 6'1". I know like EPL defenders are very tough, but make an effort, right? Like at least do something. Like go. मैं बोल रहा ना, I think कितने पुराना वीडियो है अपना जो 3-4 महीने पहले मैंने बोला था कि इसको मगवार के साथ रखो तो मगवार पे चिपक जाएगा ये.
It's just one thing. Sorry.
No, so my answer to
sorry.
इसमें ना only one thing. Rasmus Højlund करता भी कुछ नहीं है. You put in a second striker. You ask a
That's
midfielder
what everyone's saying.
You make Rasmus to be the decoy. कुछ भी बोल ले. लेकिन उसमें बेसिक फुटबॉलिंग स्किल्स भी वो शो नहीं कर रहा हो।
तेरे को पता है
नहीं,
पूरा भी
नहीं
नहीं
है।
है उस पे।
फॉर एवरीबॉडी हु डजंट अंडरस्टैंड फुटबॉल, रास्मस हॉयलैंड इज पाकिस्तान का एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम। कुछ नहीं किया, बाकी लोग आते बॉल लेके चले जाते। HQ19 ने